have decided to work further on my project for assignment 4, and this time to use my sketches and photographs to create a sense of place through memory in Ruth's own back garden, on the very line that where she hung her clothes, with this clothesline, a nice old-fashioned thing, and these clothes pegs, and the very apron in which they are held was her apron when she hung out her clothes. I'll take you through the individual hanging. This is where I found my images, down in the cellar, and I also included some images of the washing room and the old-fashioned paraphernalia they used to use for washing. Those are the albums in which I found some photos. This is her grandfather, Michael Rettich. I actually like the shadows of the wine leaves on the sketches, as it gives a second layer on it and makes it a thing of the past. That is her mother, Maria, and here we have her father, Anton. I like his beady eyes, and that's Ruth as a teenager. Here I showed you some photos which I found in the cellar. The photos were actually I sketched from the photos. That's her, where she fell in love with her Alfred, and they got married. They seemed to be very much in love. And these are also some of the photos from which I made my sketches. Then this is her first son, Klaus, and this is a fascinating bit of curtaining I found in the cellar with the role of the woman in the 50s. Fascinating. That's her with the two boys, Klaus and Werner, the little one. And now we come up to the 3 children, with Sibylla the girl coming in. And sometime later, after a bit of a pause, Jutta came on the scene, and that is her Oma Ruth as grandmother, a merry old grandmother who always looked after her grandchildren. That's one of the recipes, 2 recipes, her favorite, or the favorite of the grandchildren. She kept the grandchildren on Wednesdays, got all the grandchildren and looked after them on Wednesdays to give us mothers a day off, or to enable me to get to work or whatever. And so she created a very good sense of togetherness with all the cousins, for which I am very grateful. That is my project, and I spent quite some time unearthing all the memories, and I think I quite like this idea of working with memory, and I think I could work on this line more in future, as there's a lot of photo material to be used for this. I thank you. Bye.